In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order history in FlutterFlow. We'll start by setting up the database structure you need. Inside your database, whether you're using Firebase Firestore or Supabase, create a collection or table called orders. This is where each completed order will be stored. Add the key fields you'll need, including order ID as a string, user ID as either a reference or string, order date as a timestamp, status as a string, total price as a number, items as either a list or subcollection, payment method as a string, and shipping address as a string. Keeping this structure organized from the beginning makes the rest of the setup much easier. Next, go to your checkout page in FlutterFlow. After a successful payment, add a create document action. This action should save the order details into the orders collection. Make sure the user ID field is set to the current user UID so each order is tied to the correct signed-in user. This part is important because your order history will rely on that user connection to display the right records. Once that's done, create a new page called Order History. On this page, add a list view widget, then connect that list view to a backend query using the orders collection. After connecting it, configure the query so it only pulls orders where user ID equals the current user UID. Also sort the results by order date in descending order so the newest orders appear first. That gives users a much more natural browsing experience. Inside each list view item, display the core order information users expect to see at a glance. That includes the order ID, order date, order status, total price, and payment method. You can also add a View Details button if you want to make the next step more obvious. Now create another page called Order Details. Pass the selected order document to this page as a page parameter. Then use that data to display the full order information, including the order number, items purchased, quantity, prices, payment method, shipping address, order status, and order date. This gives users a complete view of what they ordered without overcrowding the history screen. After that, go back to the order history page and select either the View Details button or the full list item. Add a Navigate to action, choose the order details page, and pass the selected order document as the page parameter. This creates the connection between the summary view and the detailed view. Finally, test everything. Place a test order and confirm that a new document is created in the orders collection. Open the order history page and verify that only the signed-in user's orders appear. Then tap an order and make sure the order details page shows the correct information. Once that works, your order